Hello dear amigurumi lovers, welcome to my amigurumi tube channel. Today we are together with the third of our videos. In our first lesson video, I told you about yarn selection. In our second lesson video, I talked about how to choose a crochet hook. In this video, I will talk about the most used terms in amigurumi pot dance and what is the abbreviation of these terms. Also, I will try to explain the meanings of abbreviations. Before starting the video, if you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the follow button. Let's start our third lesson now. We need to know the terms that we will encounter most used in amigurumi pot dance. So, what are these terms? These terms are usually CH means chain, back CH means beginning chain, R&D means rounds, wrap means repeat, STS means stitches, SLST means slip stitch, SC means single crochet, MG means magic rings, ink means increase, DEC means decrease, HDC means half double crochet, DC means double crochet, TR means treble crochet, BLO means back loop, FLO means front loop. You can find all these terms and their meanings in the description section below in the video. In the next video, I will show you how to knit each term. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the follow button to be notified of my next videos. Stay with love.